Welcome vlogging followers. Today we're talking about Kubernetes and data protection with Velero. Velero is an open source project which aims to become the standard for data protection and disaster recovery on a Kubernetes cluster. The commercial products, such as Kasten from VM, Trilio and Pure's Portworx, are unable to provide many of the same features that Velero offers. Shubham Pampati, chief engineer at Red Hat and the head of contributions to Velero, spoke of the ambitions of the project and the benefits it offers. Velero is capable of carrying out asynchronous backups so that the data is backed up without stopping the production process. An engine is available which can parallelize many different types of backups or restores and get the system back to working order after a cyber attack. Velero integrates with a wide array of third-party applications, such as Dell, Veritas, and IBM, who can add Velero as an extension to their backup products. Red Hat and VMware can also extend their existing Kubernetes offers with a native backup function, as Velero is able to provide the extra functionality. At present, there are three primary functions of Velero, those being backup scheduling, backups and recovery. These are all done through CRD, is basically a functional extension to the Kubernetes which is configured in the EAT registry. Velero doesn't have an innate ability to actually do the backup, but rather it can manage functions on the cluster which will then allow the ingestion of backups. This can be done through the CSI drivers provided by vendors for block storage, Restic or Copia for file backup, as well as through the Kubernetes API for emergency volume restoration in object storage mode. All you need to do is run a command, and Velero will handle the rest. For example, Velero Backup create and the correct scripts, APIs, and deployments will activate. Pre and post hooks can also be integrated to further ensure data coherency and accuracy of the backups. The ability to connect to cloud hosts through an API as well places Velero in a place of advantage over other data protecting solutions. This allows the user to conduct backups and restoration without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Backups and restores can be scheduled with ease, and with plans for plenty of new features and further development, Velero looks to be a leader in this area for a long time. Thanks for watching and be sure to leave a like and comment how you use Velero for data protection and disaster recovery. See you soon.